Let's take a break today and sit down by the trees. Or we could fly away just like the breeze. 'Cause baby, you and I were meant to be.